आज हम बनाते हैं जैकफ्रूट की सब्ज़ी, जैकफ्रूट के सुक्का। ओके, तो इसके बनाना बहुत ही आसान है एंड बहुत ही सिंपल एंड बहुत ही लेस इंग्रेडिएंट्स में तैयार हो सकता है। तो ये बनाने के लिए हमने जैकफ्रूट के सीज़न में जैकफ्रूट को सॉल्ट में भिगो के रखा था। ओके, सॉल्ट में हम प्रिजर्व करके रखते हैं सो दैट हम कोई और सीज़न में उसे अच्छे से यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो अभी हमने क्या किया है, जो भी जैकफ्रूट था उसको पानी में सोक करके रखा है 5 to 10 घंटे ऐसा। 5 घंटे ऐसा आप सोक करो सो दैट उसका जो भी सॉल्ट कंटेंट है वो चला जाए, ज़्यादा ना रहे। ओके, उसके बाद आप उसे अच्छे से ड्रेन करना। ओके, ड्रेन करने के बाद और एक वेसल में उसे रखना, फिर बाद में उसको यूज़ करेंगे। आई हैव टुक द कढ़ाई एंड आई विल ऐड oil into it. After that I will add some mustard seeds. So until it makes some sound, add the urad dal and make a mix and let it fry until it becomes light brown. Once it becomes light brown, add some smashed garlic into it and give it a mix. Now add some fresh curry leaves into it and give a small mix into it. Now add some red chilies. I have take almost 8 or 10 red chilies so that we get a complete good taste for that, and give a mix into it so that let's just give a little fry. Add a pinch of turmeric powder for the enhanced color. Now add the drained jackfruit which you have kept ready. I am adding all the jackfruit which I have kept. I have took more in the quantity because I had to prepare it for 3 to 4 people in the home. Depending upon the quantity you are using, you can add the ingredients. It might be a garlic or it might be chili. Based on the requirement, you can add, take accordingly. Give it a deep mix. As the quantity is lot, I am adding a little water so that it completely gets cooked, and a pinch of sugar for the taste. Once it is done, cover it with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Remove the lid and just give a complete mix so whatever the contents present over the top goes down and whatever content present below can come up so that it could cook properly. Add some grated coconut. This will give a very good taste for the sabzi. Give it a mix and now keep it to cook for about 5 minutes. When it gets cooked, right, the color of that jackfruit get changed. It was a light yellow in color. Now you can see it seems to be look like it has been cooked and it's somewhat dark yellow in color. Yeah, so this is how our jackfruit sabzi or sukkah is all completely ready to have. You can have it with your lunch, you can have it for dinner with the rice. It give a very good taste, and this is one of the famous South Indian dish, or in the, usually prepared in the south part of India. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.